Hidden deep in the roots of Tamil Nadu's culinary history lies a dish that's over 1,000 years old, Oonu Soru. Once a staple in ancient Tamil household, Oonu Soru is not just food, it's heritage on a plate. Cooked traditionally in clay pots, this rice dish is packed with rustic flavors, tribal spices, and hand-pounded masalas passed down through generations. Let's begin with the cooking. So now take an earthen pot, add all the masalas listed and fry it until good aroma and little light brown in color. Yes, the masala is now ready. Cool the masala and grind it into a nice powder. So this is called Oonu Soru masala. In an earthen pot, add lots of ghee and oil. For this particular recipe, we require a lot of oil and ghee. Add some coriander leaves, mint leaves, and saute it for around 1 or 2 minutes. Yes, now once this is done, add ginger garlic paste. So ginger garlic paste is homemade paste, not the store bought. It gives a very good flavor. So add the ginger garlic paste, saute it for some time, and then add the grounded paste of onion based on your taste. All the ingredients are based on the taste. I just put whatever is there in my finger, how much ever I grab it in my finger. I don't have any measurement. So just saute it for around 2 to 3 minutes until that raw smell goes off. Yes, now all the water has been dried up and the raw smell is gone. Now add this Oonu Soru masala which we prepared. Mix it nicely, let it get blend with other ingredients. Also add the tomato paste and mix it nicely. So at this stage you can add curd and mix it nicely, blend it together. You can saute it for around 2 to 3 minutes. And then close the lid and cook it until the oil separates. Yes, this is how it looks. Nicely oil has been separated. Mix it nicely. And now it's time to add prawns which has been marinated with turmeric powder, and boneless chicken. This is also marinated with turmeric powder. Just mix it nicely. Give it some time for them to cook for some time, just 2 to 3 minutes, not much. After that, we'll add water as per the measurement. If it is 1 cup of jeera rice, then you can add 1.5 cup of water. Now add the washed and soaked jeera rice. Mix it nicely. And cook it until the rice is nicely cooked, soft and perfectly cooked. So yes, now this Oonu Soru is ready. I can't believe that I made it at home. This 1,000-year-old recipe, perfectly cooked. The rice grains are perfectly cooked. You must try this recipe once in a while, and you can serve this rice with nice raita. I made onion raita and omelette. So this was the lunch recipe which I prepared today. So yes, hope you enjoyed my video. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. Please watch and subscribe, comment on this recipe, like my recipe, and also share it with your friends and family. Subscribe to my channel for the interesting recipes. More unique recipes are on the way. Just watch my channel and subscribe it. Thank you for watching it. Have a good day. Bye bye.